Choosing the right web hosting service can be super overwhelming, especially when two of the biggest names, DreamHost and Siteground, keep popping up in every recommendation list. Both are known for their reliability, strong performance, and WordPress support, but the truth is they are built for very different users with very different priorities. So if you're launching your first website, you don't want to waste time or money on features you do not need. Maybe you need simplicity and affordable pricing, or maybe you need long-term performance and scalability. So in this video, I'm going to break down the real differences between DreamHost and Siteground, cover the key features, pricing and plan options, and the pros and cons of each platform. So by the end of the video, you'll know exactly which one will help you build the site you're envisioning without all the guesswork. So let's get into it. First off, let's clarify what these two services actually offer. DreamHost is a web hosting provider that offers everything from basic shared hosting to advanced VPS and dedicated servers. It really does matter because it's a great balance between affordability and performance, making it ideal for growing websites. It's also officially recommended by WordPress and is known for being beginner friendly while still offering powerful tools for advanced users. SiteGround is also a web hosting provider, but it does focus more on speed, security, and advanced features. It's a go-to for businesses, developers, and users who want high performance and premium support. It's also officially recommended by WordPress and is well regarded for its customer service and fast loading speeds. Now let's go over the key features of each, starting off with DreamHost. First off, they offer a 99.99% uptime guarantee. DreamHost promises nearly perfect uptime, ensuring your site is always available to your visitors. This is critical if you're running an online business, blog, or any site where downtime could mean losing traffic or revenue. Even a few minutes of downtime can lead to lost visitors, missed sales, and a negative reputation. Next is the seamless WordPress integration. If you're planning to use WordPress, DreamHost makes it super easy with its one-click installation. You'll have access to all of the flexibility and customization WordPress offers, including thousands of plugins and themes to help your site stand out. Next is the unlimited bandwidth and storage. DreamHost offers unlimited bandwidth and generous storage on all its plans. This means that you can upload as much content as you need without worrying about performance issues or hidden fees. They also offer free SSL certificates and daily backups. Security is a priority for DreamHost users, with every plan offering a free SSL certificate to protect visitor data and improve SEO rankings. Daily backups are also included in allowing you to restore your site quickly if anything goes wrong. Lastly is the free domain privacy. DreamHost includes a free domain privacy protection on all domain registered through their service. This feature hides your personal contact information from public WHOIS databases. Now let's go over some of SiteGround's key features. First off, lightning fast load speeds. One of SiteGround's biggest selling points is their speed. They use a custom caching system and cutting-edge technology like Google Cloud integration to deliver faster load times. Next is the advanced security features. So SiteGround truly does take security seriously, and they offer daily backups, free SSL certificates, and an AI-driven system that actively prevents potential threats. They also provide custom firewall rules and proactive security monitoring system, making it a solid option for businesses concerned about website vulnerabilities. Next is their amazing customer support. So if you're someone who values great support, SiteGround stands out with its 24/7 customer service via live chat, phone, and email. Their team is very knowledgeable and quick to respond, making it an amazing choice for beginners who might need a little extra help getting their website up and running. Easy WordPress setup. SiteGround also offers a user-friendly WordPress setup wizard, making it incredibly easy for beginners to get started. It also includes WordPress-specific performance, enhancements like auto updates, and a staging tool for testing changes before going live. Lastly, free CDN integration. SiteGround integrates with Cloudflare CDN for free, helping your website load faster for users across the world by serving content from servers closest to their location. So now that you know the key features, let's take a look at the different plans and pricing options. So to get the best price possible, you want to make sure you are using our links. So I've left them both in the description below, but let's go ahead and take a look at DreamHost first. So they do have a couple of different options here. So you can pay monthly or you can prepay. With the monthly plans, they are a little bit more expensive, but if you want to save some money, I definitely recommend going with the prepaid plans. So first off is the shared starter plan. This is just a great place to start. So for the first year, it will just be $295 a month, and you can save 63% over paying monthly. With this, you get one website and a bunch of the key features that we talked about, as well as a business advisor, AI website builder, built-in traffic analytics. Another cool thing is they have a 97-day money-back guarantee. So if you are not happy with the service, you can go ahead and get your money back. Next is the shared unlimited, and this is great if you need multiple websites. This plan just starts at $495 a month for the first year, and you can save 65% over the monthly. With this, you get unlimited websites, you get free domain, everything that we kind of talked about in the key features, but you also get unlimited email email with your domain, which is a super cool add-on. Lastly is the DreamPress, and this starts at $6.95 a month for the first year. And if you pay upfront over monthly, you can save almost 30%. So with this, you get one WordPress site, free domain, 100K monthly visitors, unmetered bandwidth, 30 gigabytes of storage, WordPress installer, as well as everything that's included in the shared unlimited plans. But you also get free priority site migration, on-demand backups, and one-click restore. You get 2 weeks of backups and super fast hosting, one-click staging, and essential CDN. So packed with features, but again, make sure you're choosing the plan that best fits your needs. If you want to get started, you'll just click sign up now. You can decide if you want to register a new domain or if you already have one, or you can choose one later. And then, like I said, you can go ahead and decide the amount of time you'd like to sign up for. The longer the term, the better price you get. So for example, if you want to sign up for 3 years, it's $3.95 a month. Or if you want to pay yearly, it's $4.95, and then monthly is at $8.95. So again, choose the plan that best fits your needs. All you have to do is enter in your information and go ahead and get set up with an email, or you can sign up with Google as well and get started. Now let's take a look at Siteground. So again, make sure you use our link to get the best price possible. We'll go ahead and take a look at the different plans and pricing options. Okay, so they do have a couple options here. So the startup plan is perfect for personal projects and small sites. And right now you can save 83%, and that brings it to just $2.99 a month right now, which is insane. With this plan, you get one website, 10 gigabytes of space, 10,000 visits monthly, and unmetered traffic. You also get a bunch of managed WordPress features like WordPress auto install and speed optimizer plugin, as well as hosting features. So like we talked about, the free domain, free SSL, free email, free one-click CDN, 100% renewable energy match, and so much more. Next is the Grow Big plan, and this is the best value. You can actually save 83%, which brings it to just $4.99 per month. With this, you get unlimited websites, 20 gigabytes of web space, 100,000 visits monthly, and unmetered traffic. And again, you get all of the managed WordPress features that are in the startup plan and all of the hosting features that are in the startup plan as well. But you also get on-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHP, and WordPress staging. So they've got some extra features added on there too. Lastly is the Go Geek plan, and with this plan, it just starts at $7.99 a month, and you can save 82% right now. With this plan, you do get the unlimited websites, but you also get 4 gigabytes of web space, 400,000 visits monthly, and unmetered traffic. But you also get staging, you get white label clients, free website, free private DNS, and the highest tier of resources, as well as priority support. So again, even more exclusive features with that plan. Make sure you choose the one that's going to best fit your needs though. So go ahead, and then what you'll do, again, you'll want to make sure you add a new domain or add an existing one. You'll click continue, and then you will add in all of your account information, your payment information. Make sure you are selecting the amount of time that you would like to sign up for, and then you can add on some extra services like site scanner, premium backup, or email marketing, and then you'll be good to go. Now that you know the key features, the different plan options, let's go over some of the pros and cons to figure out which is going to be the best fit for you. Let's start off with DreamHost. So DreamHost is a great option if you're looking for affordability, simplicity, and flexibility. It's unlimited bandwidth, free daily backups, and WordPress integration make it perfect for a starting point for beginners. It's also great for users who want to grow their websites over time, and thanks to its scalability and robust hosting options. The main downside of DreamHost is it lacks some of the speed optimization and advanced security features that Siteground offers. So while it is beginner friendly, it may not be the best option for businesses or developers looking for high performance hosting and advanced technical features. Now moving on to Siteground. Siteground's biggest strengths are its speed, security, and outstanding customer support. Its global server network and free CDN integration make it an amazing choice for businesses targeting an international audience. The advanced security features are ideal for users who want to ensure their site is protected from cyber threats. I'd say the biggest drawback is the price. Siteground's hosting plans are more expensive than DreamHost, especially when it comes to renewals. Some of its advanced features may also be unnecessary for beginners who just want a simple, affordable website. So which one should you choose? If you're a beginner looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly, and flexible hosting service that integrates seamlessly with WordPress, DreamHost is definitely the best option. On the other hand, if your focus is on performance, security, and premium support, especially if you're running a business or plan to target an international audience, Siteground offers features that justify the higher price. I know that choosing the right web host can feel overwhelming. The good news is, though, you can't really go wrong with either DreamHost or Siteground. The key is picking the one that fits your needs today while also setting you up for success as your site grows. If you're ready to get started with either of them, I've left both DreamHost and Siteground links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and again, leave any comments or questions questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping beginners build their first website without all of the stress. We share simple guides and honest reviews and practical tips to help you get your site up and running. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.